Welcome back to our Creative Casa, where we bring you the best ideas and inspiration for transforming your backyard into a paradise. In today's episode, we are diving deep into the world of backyard kitchen ideas. Whether you are a grill master, a pizza enthusiast, or simply someone who loves to cook and entertain outdoors, we have got you covered. Get ready to take your outdoor cooking game to the next level with these fantastic backyard kitchen ideas. Let's start with a classic, the outdoor grill station. Explore different types of grills from charcoal and gas to pellet grills and discover how to create the perfect grilling setup in your backyard. We'll share tips on positioning, storage, and essential accessories to make your grilling experience top notch. Designing your outdoor kitchen layout is crucial for functionality and aesthetics. We'll walk you through various layout options, including L shaped, U shaped, and island designs. Discover how to incorporate essential elements like countertop, sink, and storage to create a fully functional kitchen space. Transform your backyard kitchen into a complete outdoor oasis by creating a cozy dining and entertainment space. Explore ideas for outdoor seating, shed structures, and decor to make your backyard the perfect gathering spot for family and friends. Outdoor kitchens need durable materials to withstand the elements. Explore the pros and cons of materials like stainless steel, stone, and concrete for countertops, cabins, and outdoor appliances. Learn how to strike the perfect balance between style and functionality. Outdoor kitchens require proper maintenance and safety. Will provide tips on keeping your equipment and cooking area clean as well as safety measures to ensure worry free cooking. With the ideas and tips we have shared in the video, you will be well on your way to designing and building the ultimate outdoor cooking oasis. Creating your dream backyard kitchen is an exciting project that can elevate your outdoor living experience. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring backyard ideas on Creative Casa. Thanks for watching.